and welcome back to A&M Excursions. I'm Misty, and today I have a different kind of thing. I have a Hot Topic haul for you today, slash Loungefly, because they're Loungefly products. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the largest one first, and then the things that'll follow are actually inside. This is the Snow White handbag from Loungefly. And on the front of it, it has the poison apple, and it reads, "One bite and all your dreams come true." So there's that. It's pretty roomy. It comes with, you can carry it by the two handles, or there is also a long strap that comes with it that they have attached inside. So it comes with a longer strap, so you can attach it to each side to make it a full-size handbag. And this retailed for $44.90. And it's, let me take the things inside of it out so I can show you the inside of it. Okay. Here's the inside. Pretty roomy. And it comes with the inside pocket as well. But they, like I said, they have this attached to it. So it's a pretty roomy inside pocket. It's got a zipper. So that was my first buy. And then they also have a matching ID / credit card holder that has the poison apple on it. So this matches the handbag, obviously. And you just lift the clasp up, and there are your slots for your credit cards. And then you can secure those with the little snap where the apple is. And then on the back is where your ID goes. So that was a matching set. See why I bought that. They didn't have a wallet. They just had the credit card. And so then I was going a little further, and I'm a huge Stitch fan. So I found these as well. They are kind of ID credit card holders as well. This is just like the one I just showed you, only it's Stitch. So there he is, looking all cute and happy. And then you flip it over, and it has pineapples and him in a little hula skirt. So this caught my eye. This was really, really cute. So I like that. And I have a book bag that actually matches this. Here is the book bag that also has Stitch and pineapples on it. I bought this a few months back from Hot Topic as well. So they no longer have this. If you're hoping to buy it, you can't. But that's kind of why I bought this one, because it has the pineapples and Stitch. So those two are going to be a matching set for me as well. And then they also had a Stitch ID that had an actual inside zipper that you can use to put little things in. And it's got a place on the back for your ID, so you can put your ID here. And again, it has pineapples as well. So I suppose that could match that one as well. So these are, like I had said, these are all Loungefly items. The two little, this one is $9.90. Let me check on the little credit card holder ones. Yeah, they're $14.90. So these two, actually this one's $14.90 and this one is $12.90. So not quite sure the difference, but they're two different prices, but the same exact thing. Maybe the different characters could be why. And then I bought a Mushu because I love that little dragon. He is my favorite from Mulan. And so here is his little representation. And it's the same as the Stitch before. It's got the little ID, and you open it again, and it's got, you know, room to put credit cards, money, whatever you, lipstick. I mean, I'm sure it would hold a small lipstick too. So you can use it for something like going out on a day, vacation, or something like that. And then the last thing that I was able to pick up is something that I just thought was really cute. It's a Stitch lanyard. And it's just one of those ID holders that you can get and use. And it's got a lanyard on it. So this is what it looks like. It's got the little plastic, and then the lanyard's attached to it, and then it has this cute little Stitch and watermelon keychain on it, and then the lanyard has the same motif. All right, so, and then here is the lanyard and what it looks like. It's the same on both sides. So you could just, you know, use this to put on your keys or to actually use it for an ID badge. But that is all I was able to get. They didn't have a whole lot of stuff. And the reason I bought this stuff is because they had a 20% off coupon that they sent to me. And so that's what I used. So that's pretty much the end of the haul. If you're interested in any of these products, you can probably still get them on hottopic.com. That's where I bought them. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Leave a comment down below as to what you might have liked that I bought, what you might not have liked, what you thought of it. And subscribe. Hit the notification button so you know when we upload. And thanks for watching, and join us next time as we strive to make every day an excursion.